Part 2 of the Softail Heritage 2018 FLHCS modifications updates that I've made. On YouTube, I get a lot of ideas from the way people customize their bikes. However, I've not seen many examples of this current model, so I wanted to kind of post some of the modifications that I've done just so other people can maybe get an estimate of what it will look like when they do things to their bikes, especially the Heritage. So, starting in the back, I did the lay down of the license plate, followed by the Viking Tour-pak with the Harley quick disconnect system and the Harley Solo Tour-pak rack, which is great because it puts it right behind the seat and it gives me a comfortable backrest, which is great for long trips, and not to mention the storage that I'm able to get. Going up towards the front, I have done the custom grips, also the Shark speakers, which are now called Lennox, which are great at high speeds, and then also my bags on the front windshield there. Going down then, I have got the bow tie engine guard, which is great for long rides, allowing me to, with those rubber guards there, place my feet up there and change my rider position to make it comfortable during long trips. Also have done a invisible bra with a car detailer that I put on the front fender, the side panels of my tank, and then also the back fender when it's soloed out so it doesn't scratch. I also did the conversion kit for the heel toe shifter, and then just received my pegs as well. The new Softail Heritages do not come with the heel shifter, and I've gotten really used to it, and it's really comfortable to use that. So this is pretty much what the bike looks like now. I am going to get ready to do an upgrade to the muffler and also most likely an air intake to be able to maximize as full stage 1. However, at this time I'm just going to kind of do with what I have after putting so much money into the bike with the modifications and also just purchasing it in February. You can see the docking areas and the rack there, which is nice. It just slides right off with the 2 clips in the back, and looks nice. I've never been a Tour-pak fan, but this one I think turned out really nice and matches well with the bike. This is a Viking bag. I did not opt for the Harley version, as it would have cost me almost $800 besides buying the brackets and everything. The nice thing with the Viking premium leather Tour-pak is that it matches my bike perfectly and only cost me $284 on sale. So good savings and still really functional. Now when I ride, most of the time I'll have the Tour-pak off. This is just for when I go on trips. I need to package a lot of tent equipment and things like that, especially for long week trips. So what I will do now is I will go ahead and take it off and just show you what it looks like solo. The nice thing is it will only take me about a minute to undock it and take the Tour-pak off. And as you can see, the Tour-pak comes off real easy, no tools, just 2 clips in the back. And now I'm able to have the solo look, which I enjoy on my bikes. So basically, this is a listing of all the modifications that I've done to my current bike, in case anybody out there needs any ideas of how to customize their 2018 Softail. So, hope this helps. Ride safe.